Okay, for lesson 5, we're going to skip some of the parts and start on part 5.4. Missing figure, factor, or copy. This is on page 38 of your workbook. So it's asking us to find the scale factor from the original triangle to its copy. So let's call the original A and the copy B. Write that in your book because this will help you understand. So if I'm going from A to B, is my shape getting larger or smaller? Well, from here to here, it got smaller. So I know it's a number, right? Less than 1. So let's see what that would be. You're always going to make a ratio. Use the copies length first and then the originals. So if I form a ratio from this side to the same corresponding side over here, it would be 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used these corresponding sides to form a ratio, and that is my scale factor. Now, if I wanted to go from B to A, I'm going from little to big, so it's getting larger. What would the scale factor be? Well, then you would flip the ratio, because now you're going to do the copy is 5, the original was 1, my scale factor is 5. I'm put scale factors. Make sure you write that down. Okay, on number 2, the scale factor from the original to its copy is a 2, and it says draw it. Oh, well, these are diagonal sides. Remember, those are a little bit harder to do. So what you want to do is find some other distances, because all the distances in a shape will increase by a scale factor of 2. So I'm going to use that distance and this distance from point to point. This one is 3 squares long, so 3 times 2 would give me 6. So I need 1 6 long over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's 1 from the end in this one, so that vertical line would be 1 times 2, or 2 from the end over here. And again, it goes 1 up, so now it would go 2 up. It goes 2 down, so now it would go 4 down. And now I've created this X that I had here. And then all you have to do is connect the points from that. And so here we connect, here we connect, here we connect, and there we connect. Okay, so we said, they told us A to B had a scale factor of 2. B to A would have a scale factor of what then? B to A. Well, it would be the reciprocal of 2, or 1/2. Flip the fraction from 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. So I'm going to have you write reciprocals. We've talked about them in this unit. All of this is coming together now. Our scale factors, our reciprocals, ratios. Okay, let's go to the next problem. The scale factor from the original figure to its copy is 3/2 from original. So again, I like to call them A and B. It makes it easier. 3/2. What would be the scale factor then from B to A? If we wanted to go this way, it should be 2/3, right? We're just going to flip it, have reciprocals. So if B is 3, A would be 2/3 is our scale factor, so you're going to multiply. You always multiply by the scale factor. This side is 3. 3 times 2/3, you can put it in your calculator, or you can see that that's going to be 2. It'd be 6/3, which is 2 wholes. So for A, I'm going to draw 2 across, and then all the sides are 3, so they're going to become 2 now. So everywhere that has a side of 3, I'm now going to have a side of 2, and this would be my scaled copy. Well, actually, this was the original. Remember, from A to B was 3/2. If this was my original, coming back, it would be 2/3. 2/3 is big. Okay, what's the scale factor from the original to the copy in this example? Anybody know? Hopefully you did. It is 1. Because anytime you have this exact same shape, the scale factor would be 1. The scaled copy looks the same as the original. Your scale factor is 1. Anytime the copy and original are the same, then you'll have a scale factor of 1. Okay, and we're not going to do part 4 today. So that's all.